Ding Liren vs Hikaru Nakamura. Final day of the 2022 Candidates Chess Tournament. Stockfish point of view.
We'll do 2 variations and give Stockfish 2 seconds to analyze each move.
All right. No worries, mate. You all should appreciate my work. I do this for free for humanity.
We all appreciate you.
We would press the donate button if we could find it.
You can't find the donate button. Excuses, excuses.
Feel free to play along and find the best moves.
You can also observe the evaluation by Stockfish for guidance or follow the Houdini 2 opening book.
We're out of book.
I guess you can observe my evaluation. Free of charge since you can't find the donate button.
Hikaru makes a mistake with bishop d8. Better is rook d8.
E4 is a mistake. Better is e takes f4.
Bishop f6 is a counter mistake. Better is f3.
f3 is an inaccuracy at this point. Knight c4 was better.
Knight e5 is a mistake. The absurd-looking a5 was better.
The natural move f3 is an inaccuracy, better is knight e7 check.
Bishop c1 is a mistake. A better move was a5.
It's an uphill battle from here for Hikaru. A strong player like Ding will continue to pile on the pressure.
I'll speed up the game. Just in case there are viewers who don't want to watch slow suffering.
Hikaru resigns. This was the final day of the Candidates Chess Tournament 2022. Hope you all enjoyed the tournament. And perhaps compete here one day and go on to play in the World Championships.